I've been sitting just
Red
waiting, been patient
Music.
for too long. So many haters trying to take me out. On the side taking, can't lose the waste, I'm too strong. It's funny how they hate me now. Niggas better act right, you act like you don't know. Face it or just don't show. Homie, I'ma ride, stay on my hustle, I'm gon' fly. My life, my grind, my time. This is my time.
This is my time, I dare they try to take it. I know you want it cause you hating that you can't make it. Your hustle too complacent, so stop complaining. Go back and try harder, y'all need some retraining. See my position in the moves I've been making. But humble for so long, kept it steady pacing. Ran with the fam, got ahead of the racing. Ran laps on track, success is what I'm tasting. Pull off of victories, digest the miseries. Funny how you acted tough, but your rep is a mystery. Just cause you crossed me doesn't mean you can finish me. Stand tall against y'all, and you still hearing me. Ain't no fear in me, walk the ropes of my faith. Most of y'all fearing me, better check your heart rates. Get on your paper chase, better do what it takes. I can show you how I do me, and it feels great.
Been patient for too long. So many haters trying to take me out. On the side taking, can't lose the waste, I'm too strong. It's funny how they hate me now. Y'all niggas better act right, you act like you don't know. Just don't show.
You better show, man.
Stay on my hustle, I'm gon' fly. Life, my grind, my time. This is my time.
Tell me what you heard, then go back and listen. Follow every single word, then tell me what you're missing. I took you through the blocks, got you posted on the curb. Feel the beat up of life, every letter and every verse. I think it's my turn, it's more than a curse. A gift that's unwrapped, get you hung like a purse. You feeling like I'm feeling, you know about my days. Gone through the interruptions, like y'all a Kanye. Y'all can't accept these thoughts, go for the N.O. Put on for every city, from the shy to the N.O. Ride any tempo, to any instrumental. I represent the summer, Pisces ain't my symbol. I rolled up my dreams and held on success. Excel the process of me, I progress. I've been waiting patiently, my aim ain't to please. On the path aimlessly, failure just chases me.
Been patient for too long. So many haters trying to take me out. On the side taking, can't lose the waste, I'm too strong. It's funny how they hate me now. Y'all niggas better act right, you act like you don't know.
Y'all better know for real, man. Keep on effing with me on this.
Homie, I'ma ride, stay on my
Can't
hustle,
Street
I'm
in the
gon'
building.
fly. My life, my
Sure.
grind, my time. Homie, this is my time.
So check your role, play the script that you know. Find a road to your goals or get picked like a rose. I seen your kind cold under pressure for the cheddar. I graduated through degrees while you still in semesters. Fly through any weather, quicker than Mayweather. Spring through the winter, get them tapping like a wrestler. Y'all dudes is hecklers, why even mess with us? Have you seen the lineup? Look at the rest of us. You chicks want the best of us. You getting play like Genesis. Know you thinking is he real? Then you leave like Exodus. We are not the same, came up on different paths. Y'all lightweights in this league, we have a different math. Graduated different class, we have a different swag. I can show you how to pop tags, no I don't brag. Only time you strap when your belt's fastened. I've been eating in the game while y'all still fasting.
Been patient for too long. So many haters trying to take me out. On the side taking, can't lose the waste, I'm too strong. It's funny how they hate me now. Y'all niggas better act right, you act like you don't know. Face it or just don't show. Homie, I'ma ride, stay on my hustle, I'm gon' fly. This is my life, my grind, my time. Homie, this is my time.